Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation to explore our crown chakra energy. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your daily life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice working with crystals. So if you have just come across this video and you haven't watched any of the previous chakra series, you may want to watch crown chakra and crystal healing first to give you an idea of the supportive elements of the crown chakra and to give you an idea of what gemstones might be useful for you in this guided meditation. And I'll link to that up in the eye above. And I'll also link to the entire playlist if you'd like to start from the beginning at Intro to Chakras and Crystal Healing. Before we begin, there are just a few things that I suggest if you're going to be following along in this chakra healing journey. And the first is to have a journal with you so that you can write down anything that arises for you during these videos and during this guided meditation. And that could be any thoughts that stand out, physical sensations, emotions, triggers, anything that comes up for you, write that down. And that will help you develop a map of your chakra health. We also have a private Facebook group dedicated to this chakra and crystal healing series. And if you'd like to join in, have a place to ask questions and share your experiences, then I'll put the link to that in the description below. There are two more things you need for this meditation. One is a comfortable seat, and that could be on a cushion on the floor. It could be in a chair, or it could be directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes. And then you'll need a white or a clear gemstone to sit with during this meditation today. It's okay if you don't have one. You can still benefit from the meditation and see if getting some crown chakra gemstones will be helpful to you. Today, I'm going to be meditating with white calcite. Now, there are a lot of the white and clear chakra gemstones, which you'd see in the crown chakra and crystal healing video. This is the one I'm picking today. So if you have your comfortable seat and you have your gemstone, then let's get started. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to your breathing, to your body. And just notice how you are feeling right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. We're not trying to change or fix anything. We're just noticing what's going on for us right now. And bring your attention to those places in your body that are connected to the cushion or chair or ground beneath you. To be aware of your connection to the earth. You're sitting on top of the entire earth, right over its center. and its mass is supporting you today. And you have access to the entire energy of the earth. And the earth will protect and support you during this guided meditation today. And if you have your white or clear gemstone, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the white or clear gemstone. As you hold the gemstone, just notice, are there any reactions as you hold it? Physically, emotionally, mentally? Any changes? Then imagine a swirling energy right at the top of your skull. This is where your crown chakra is located. And like there's a clock placed over this area, imagine an energy swirling in a clockwise direction. And without forcing it or overthinking, just notice what the flow of energy looks like to you. Is it large? Is it fast flowing? Small? Slow? Does it feel balanced or just right? Just see how it shows up for you in your imagination. And consider the following scenarios that are related to the crown chakra and our lives. Do you feel like you have a connection to a higher guide? Your higher self, your angel guides, your spirit guides? Or do you feel like you can't access it, like you're disconnected? Do you feel attracted to spirituality in any form? Or is it something that seems difficult or complicated or unappealing? Are you able to sit in meditation? Do you even prefer it to being out in the world? Or does meditation make you feel uncomfortable? How is your current experience with meditation? Do you feel like you're able to energetically cleanse yourself or your environment? Or do your cleansings not seem to work? Or they're not very strong or effective? And take note if any of those scenarios or more than one stood out to you. This is important to write down later on. And then release those life situations and the image of the energy and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit in this meditation with our crown chakra. And I hope that you found this useful. And this is a good time then to get out your journal and write down anything that came up for you, any impressions, anything that stood out for you about the crown chakra. And based on those notes that you took, then you can go back to the crown chakra and crystal healing video and see which gemstones that you resonate with the most, what might help you if you feel a little blocked or overactive. And if you feel balanced, if you feel like this is a chakra that feels okay to you, then that's great as well. And that's important to take note of because we don't all have to work on every chakra. Some chakras are healthy and balanced and feel comfortable, and that is important to know as well. If you do feel like you'd like to work with the crown chakra some more, then please do visit my online crystal healing store for crown chakra pendants, tumbled gemstones, bracelet and gemstone sets. I have all of that available for the crown chakra, and the link to that is in the description below. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. I post informational videos about the supportive and healing benefits on Wednesday, and then on Friday I post a guided meditation with those gemstones. So if you're interested in exploring crystal healing and how you can use it practically in your everyday life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again next week.